Hey viewers, welcome back to RETHEW Tech. Today we're diving into Intel's 13th and 14th generation processors. We'll explore the improvements, drawbacks, and issues you should be aware of before making an upgrade. Let's get started. Intel's 13th generation processors, known as Raptor Lake, have made waves with their increased core counts, improved power efficiency, and higher clock speeds compared to the previous generation. The standout feature of this generation is the hybrid architecture, combining performance cores and efficient cores for optimized performance across different workloads. While the 13th gen offers impressive specs, there are some issues to consider. One major concern is heat management. With increased core counts and higher clock speeds, these processors can run hotter, especially under heavy workload. Adequate cooling solutions are necessary to maintain optimal performance and longevity. Another issue is compatibility. While Intel claims backward compatibility with 12th gen motherboards, users may need to update their BIOS to unlock full functionality. This can be a hurdle for those unfamiliar with BIOS updates or for systems with locked firmware. Next, we have Intel's 14th generation processors, also known as Meteor Lake. These chips continue to build on the hybrid architecture, but introduce several new features, including advanced AI capabilities and improved power efficiency. However, with new features come new challenges. One issue users have encountered is software compatibility. The introduction of new AI features requires software updates to fully utilize these capabilities. Users might experience limited performance if their software isn't optimized for the 14th gen architecture. Additionally, availability and pricing can be concerns. As with any new technology, initial supply can be limited, leading to higher prices and potential shortages. It's important to weigh whether the immediate upgrade is worth the investment. In summary, Intel's 13th and 14th generation processors offer significant advancements, come with their own set of challenges. Whether it's managing heat with the 13th gen or ensuring software compatibility with the 14th gen, being informed is key to making the right choice for your needs. Thank you for tuning in to RETHEW Tech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insight. Let us know in the comments which generation you're considering and why. Until next time, stay tech savvy.